guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be a little bit different from my usual October videos. Today, I just got back from Sephora, so we're going to be doing a Sephora beauty haul. So to start off my Sephora beauty haul, I'm going to show you guys this product right here. It's the Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. As some of you guys know, I do have eczema, mainly on my hands right now, but I do get like really super duper dry skin. And when you use moisturizer for your face or your hands, it's just really hard to find like a cream that doesn't get super greasy or something that doesn't really keep your hands moisturized for very long. So that's the reason why I really like this product. It says that it's really good for eczema. It also has like oatmeal. It says it has eucalyptus oil, so it actually smells kind of nice. The scent isn't that strong, which is good for if you actually do have eczema. As you know, when you use lotions and stuff like that have scent or alcohol in it, it really dries out your skin. So that's why I really like this product. I always run out because I put it all over my hands, I use it on my face, and it definitely helps me a lot. So for this standardized bottle, which is a pretty big size compared to my hand, it retails for $30. Now this lasts you a really long time. I've been using this product for years, so I definitely recommend that you try this, especially if you have either dry eczema type skin, or my face is actually pretty oily, so I definitely recommend this product. So for my next product, it's actually going to be this Too Faced Born This Way foundation. The color that I have here is Warm Nude. I'm actually just trying this out for the first time. One of my friends recommended this brand to me for foundation. It's supposed to be full coverage. My friend actually has some dark spots all over her face, and she says that it even covers it up without having any type of concealer. So I'm really excited to try this product. You know that I am a full coverage queen, so yeah. Normally for foundation, I wear my Fenty Beauty foundation because that is super full coverage. So I'm really excited to try out this product. So I haven't even opened the box. This is what the bottle looks like. And it's actually pretty big and pretty hefty. And it's really cute. So for the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, this one actually retails for $39, which is about average for foundation from Sephora. So it's not too expensive and not like super duper cheap, but it is like average price because my Fenty Beauty foundation is $34. So the next product that I bought at Sephora is this Too Faced Gingerbread Eyeshadow Palette. Now this is a part of their winter collection. I've seen this eyeshadow palette all across my Instagram feed, so I'm excited to try it out. So for the packaging, it's like a container. If you have any other Too Faced eyeshadow palettes, it's a similar container to those, but this is actually my first Too Faced eyeshadow palette. I'm really excited to try it out. So these colors look like this. Some really cute Christmassy plum colors. They have some gold, some pretty transition colors, some whites. And when you actually open the packaging, it smells like chocolate, like Christmas. The names for these eyeshadow colors are so cute, like powdered sugar, spiked eggnog, gumdrop, gingerbread, warm and toasty. Ooh, burn. I like that a lot. So this Too Faced eyeshadow palette retails for $49. So like I said before, I haven't actually tried out any Too Faced eyeshadow palettes, so I'm really excited to try this out. If you want to see me test out this eyeshadow palette in another video, just let me know in the comments down below. So last but certainly not least, the piece de resistance, this new Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighter foil palette something. Look at this packaging, it's so beautiful, so shimmery. Like, I almost want to just keep the box because it's so cute. This retails for $54, so it is a little bit expensive, but I just had to get it. Like I said, I've seen all these new products for winter collections all over my Instagram feed, and I just had to have it. So when you look at Instagram pictures, the pictures don't really do it justice. When I first saw her new highlighters, I thought, oh, the palette, it looks kind of small, I'm not sure if I want it. When I actually walked into Sephora, the packaging is like huge. Like, if you compare it to the size of my face, it's literally the size of my face. So we can open it up. So this is what it looks like, and the packaging is so sleek and smooth, and it feels so nice. So you guys know how much of a fan I am of Fenty Beauty. That is literally the foundation that I use every day, as well as the primer. So this is what the palette looks like. And when I first initially swatched it at Sephora, I was amazed because this highlighter palette is gorgeous. So as I was swatching it in Sephora, like, the formula is really soft and really creamy, and the colors are not like your normal average everyday highlighter colors. So much like Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora or Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild, like, the colors are like a different color. So this highlighter palette I'm really excited to test out. And like I said, for the gingerbread eyeshadow palette, if you want to see me do a review for it, let me know in the comments below. Alright everyone, so that's going to be it for this Sephora beauty haul. I know this video was super short and super sweet and to the point, but don't worry, because on Friday I will be posting a new video as well, and it's going to be super duper cool. So I hope you guys are excited, just as excited as I am. Thank you all so much for watching my video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, for this month of October, I will be posting 2 new videos every single week. And if you want to see me review any of these products that I bought today, please make sure to comment down below and stay tuned for more. Again, like I said, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!